Today, my topic is a quick exploration of Chinese culture and education system. I have introduced yesterday, so I just keep it. But today, I will explain what is 2011 project in the part of education. The presentation will include the 5 parts: the overview, Chinese culture, Chinese business culture, etiquette, and current Chinese education, and one impressive short video on China. This is China. He have 9.6 million square kilometers. 5,000 years recorded history, and 1.3 billion people, and 15.6 ethnic groups. So because of his vast geography and the diverse nationalities, so the culture in China is diversity.
So that population is correct? 1.3 billion. Is it correct? Much more?
30. The Chinese culture will include the traditional festivals, Chinese folk art, Chinese architecture, and Chinese cuisine. For the Chinese festivals, the most important is Spring Festival. The Spring Festival falls on the first day or the first lunar month, originate in the Song dynasties about 1600 and 1100 BC. From the people sacrifice to gods and ancestor at the end of the old year and the beginning of the new year. Strictly speaking, the festival will start every year in the earliest day or 12th lunar month will last until the middle first lunar month of the next year. The most important day is the Spring Festival event, and the first 3 days, the Chinese government now stipulate people have 7 days off for the Chinese Lunar New Year. These are customers. Before the New Year comes, the people will clean the doors of the home, as well as the clothes, better clothes, and the utensils. After that, he will decorate the clean rooms, feature with an atmosphere of rejoice and festivities. All the door panel will paste with the Spring Festival calculators, highlight Chinese calligraphies, with black characters on the red papers. The contents will be vary depending on the owner's wish for the bright future to good luck for the new year. Pictures of the god doors and wells will be posted on the floor doors to ward off the evil spirits and welcome peace and abundance. Chinese food. The Chinese food is must. The collector will pass normally or upside down. In Chinese, the reserve food is homophonical with fu comes means 福到了 in Chinese. And what's more, two big lead lanterns will be placed on both sides of the first door, and the leather paper cuttings can be seen on the window glass. Also, the New Year painting will, with the auspicious meaning, may be put on the wall. At the end of the Spring Festival, they have another important. The festival is Lantern festivals. The Lantern festival falls on the 15th day of the first lunar month, as early as the West Han dynasties, about 206 BC to 1705. It's also very important festival in China. Today, important activities is watching lanterns. Yes, and the guessing the Latin needle is an essential part of festival. The lantern owner will write the needle on piece of paper and paste on the lanterns. If visitor have a solution, they will put it out and go to the later owner to change the answers. The activity imaged that is the people enjoyment or lanterns in the Song dynasty. A delicious food will be eaten in the later festival is Yanxiao. Yanxiao have another name, 团圆. In Chinese meaning is the unions. The 汤圆 is a small dumpling balls made of glutinous rice flour with rose petals, sesame bean paste, jujube paste, walnut meat, dyed fruit, sugar, added oil. Yes, in Chinese, he has a similar pronunciation with 团圆, meaning the union people eat it to denote union, harmony, and happiness for the family. Dragon Boating Festival. I think they also have in Japan. Yeah. The Dragon Boat Festival, the 15th days or the 5th lunar month, has also have a history about more than 2,000 years. The Dragon Boat racing is an indispensable part of the festival held all the countries. The game has spread to Japan, Vietnam, and Britain, as well as Chinese, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. Now the Dragon Boat race has developed into an aquatic sport items which feature with both the Chinese traditional and modern sport abilities. In the 1980, it was listed into state sports competition programs at the Shenzhen has been held every year. The award is Qiyuan Cup. Mid-Autumn festivals. The Mid-Autumn festivals falls on the 15th days or the 80th lunar month, usually in October in Gregorian calendars. The festivals celebrate three fundamental concepts which are close tied to one another: the gathering, Thanksgiving, playing, such as family and friends come together or harvest crops or for the festivals to give thanks for the harvest or for the harmonious unions. As for the or material satisfactions, such as for the baby, spouse, beautiful longevities, or for a good future. Yeah, they have a story about the Mid-Autumn Festival. So in ancient past, they have a hero. His name is Hou Yi, and his wife is Chang'e. One year, 10 suns rose in the sky, caused the disaster to the people. So Yi shot down 9 of them and left only one to provide the ride. And immortal sent him the elixir. What means elixir? If the Yi eat it, he can also become the immortal. Will never die forever. Yeah. But he don't want to leave his wife because he loved his wife so much. So he let the Chang'e keep the elixir. But one of his apprentices now they secret on the 15th of August in the lunar calendars when he went out for hunting. He forced Chang'e to give the elixir to him. Chang'e refused it and ate it, and then flew into the sky. Because he loved her husband so much, he hoped to live nearby. So he chose the moon for her residence. When he come back and learn about what happened, he feels so sad and display the fruit and cakes Chang-alike in the yard and give the sacrifice to his wife. When people know these activities, they also were sympathetic to Chang'e and participate in the sacrifice with Yi.